Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. What you're looking at here is a Luxe luxury toy hauler. This is a luxury toy hauler. And hey, we've got something new on the back here. It's called a Patio EX by Moride. This is something you don't want to leave home without. It extends your patio and puts a very sturdy, strong patio cover for extra space to put the kids back there. And hey, if you want to get away and get some time back there, you can do that also. But here it is, the Patio EX. Let's take a look inside. Go right in here. Talking about a cool space. This is another living area that you can utilize in your Luxe luxury toy hauler. And hey, have some fun with this. This is a Patio EX by Moride. Ask us some questions. 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.